Hey there, today I have this cordless pressure washer that was sent to me from the brand to share with you guys. So here's what to know. When you open the box, you're gonna get the hose, the connectors, and everything else that goes with it, including a mitt, some extra O-rings, the hose, connectors, a bottle to put solution in, everything that you need to get started, along with 2 batteries. To get connected, I attached the hoses, the front wand, filled the bucket with water, and got started. I tested out the pressure washer on multiple surfaces and areas. I used it on my shed that has this corrugated metal, and it actually did a really good job without any kind of detergent. Then I tried it on the concrete, seeing if it would get any of that discoloration off, which it didn't do a great job doing. Onto this vinyl fence in the back of my yard where a hose doesn't reach, and it did an okay job. I even tried using a little bit of all-purpose cleaner with it to try to do a better job with it. Finally, I tried it on the squirrel baffles to see what it would do, and it did an okay job there as well. So after using this for a while, I do have some mixed feelings on part of it. The connections are nice and easy. They go on easy, they come off easy. I really liked how easy it worked. I also liked how easy it was to see what kind of degree my stream was going to be. It was simply turning the dial, and I could clearly see what I was going to get. The multiple power button is great because I can adjust from low to high, although I did feel that I constantly kept using it on high regardless of what I was doing. On a full battery, I used it for about 15 minutes or so, and I'm still showing that I have half a battery of power. So I do like that the battery seems to be holding up, and I can always change out to that second battery before needing to recharge. Now, the things I didn't like the instruction manual. It's very minimal, and I feel that it could have been more detailed, discussing all of the parts and what they do and how I should use them. I also didn't love the dispenser for cleaning solutions because there was only one way to use that. There was no way to control how much solution was being put onto my surface other than being able to adjust that power button from low to medium to high. After trying on multiple surfaces, I really do feel that it depends on what the surface is, as well as if any kind of cleaning solution is being used to help get that crud off of whatever surface you're doing it on. Another thing I didn't love is that while the hose is relatively long, it goes through water pretty fast, so a bucket is going to have to be continually filled, or it's going to have to be hooked up to a water supply on the side of the house. Even though I didn't like some of those things, I think this is still a decent product for multiple reasons. The vinyl fence is in the very back of my yard, and a hose won't reach, so I can take this with a couple buckets of water and get that vinyl fence cleaned. I also have a large yard, and sometimes things far in the yard need to be watered away from where the hose will reach. This can come in handy with watering plants and flowers. And finally, I do feel this is stronger than my general water hose, so it would be great for rinsing down the car after washing it. If you're looking for a pressure washer that is rechargeable and runs on its own batteries, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.